I'm Panu, one of the co-founders of Cactus. At Cactus, we have developed the Hug, which is a solution that coaches you towards optimal hydration and helps you feel, perform, and live better.
I'm an active guy. I've always been doing a lot of different sports, but also had a problem. I've never hydrated myself properly. In fact, my girlfriend was the one who had to consistently remind me to drink more water. Drinking sufficient amount of water shouldn't be that hard. However, we notice that people often simply forget to hydrate or don't really know how much they should drink, especially if they've been out exercising. Furthermore, it's not very fun or motivating to track the amounts yourself. The Hug is flexible and fits securely around most water bottles. Leveraging motion data and algorithms, it tracks the amount you drink from the bottle. It sends the data to an iPhone app, which calculates your ideal hydration base rate according to gender, age, and weight. The app also pulls real-time activity data from APIs of Fitbit and Runkeeper to tweak the optimal water intake amounts. The Hug uses phone notifications and banned LED prompts to help you stay on track with your personal hydration plan. Here's our team. I've been doing business development in both big companies as well as small startups. Heikki is responsible for electrical engineering and algorithm development. Tappi has been teaching product design and manufacturing at Aalto University for the past 6 years and specializes in casting and molding. Olli is our lead developer, building the app and the API.
As you see, we like to have fun and don't take ourselves too seriously. That has kept us going forward despite the challenges we've encountered during the past 16 months of product development. But now we're finally ready to go from prototype to manufacturing, and that's where we need your help. So please pre-order your Hug today, because healthier life is just a few sips away.